Well, today we were supposed to go to Hamada Bay to go snorkeling, but with this rain, that's not happening. So we're gonna work on a different plan today. I think maybe we'll go to the Waimea Valley. Hopefully it's not raining so hard there, or this rain lets up. Because when it's raining this hard, the bottom's all turned up and you can't see anything anyways. So come along with us and see what we find to do when it is pouring rain in Hawaii. The streets are absolutely flooded. Hopefully it doesn't get any worse here. We're gonna go to the North Shore and hopefully this rain clears out by the time we get there in an hour.
Welcome to Wahiowa. Dole Plantation.
All right, so we're driving towards the North Shore to go to the Waimea Valley, and along the way is the Dole Plantation. And since the weather got a little better, that it's not raining right now, we decided to stop and check out the Dole Plantation. So there's a couple different tours you can take here at the Dole Plantation. You can also just go walk around the gardens. There's a bunch of different vendors. And of course you can get the classic Dole Whip ice cream, which I'm sure we're gonna do later.
Let's see where we are at. New Zealand is 4,391 miles, only 110 miles from Maui, San Francisco. And we're in the middle of the Dole Plantation, and those pineapples are so cute, look. Waialua Estate chocolate. This is the cocoa trees. And look at this plant. They're huge. How huge they are. Some of them are yellow, some of them are green. Green one, and they turn into the yellow ones. We are going for the ice cream.
What do you think of the Dole Whip, the pineapple ice cream?
I like it, but it's a little bit rainy, so they make you feel chilly.
It does. All right, we're gonna go check out the Dole Garden now.
Visiting Dole Plantation is an interesting place. You can see how they grow pineapple. You can take the train.
We got our garlic shrimp. We took it to go. Oh, let me get this mask off. We took our garlic shrimp to go. We're gonna go to the beach and watch some surfers surfing this crazy waves that are here on the North Shore, especially with this big storm coming in.
Not able to complete there.
The competition, and we're gonna have the shrimp
stores on the way for blue.
We're gonna sit and have some garlic shrimp, and we found a surfing competition of all things.
Stand by for stores. Last of blue, last of white, and last of green. Because we've got all four surfers with stores.
So this is Giovanni's garlic shrimp, $15 a plate, and looks absolutely amazing. We're gonna dig in.
What about mine?
And Chris got lemon butter shrimp. So we're here on the North Shore.
From fourth to third, but obviously all four surfers want to be in that top two, advancing position. The bottom two surfers are out of the contest and are eliminated. So top two, very important. 8 minutes, 25 seconds here in the round of 32.
Right out there, we're getting ready to come in for the
top two will advance to the quarterfinals. And
1:57 now on the clock.
The surfer competition, they are over there waiting for big waves or good waves to go surfing, but it doesn't look too promising, so good luck to them.
All right, we're here at the Waimea Valley Botanical Gardens and Waterfall. I believe it's $20 a person to go in, and it is going to be really amazing, I hope. So we just entered, and as you can see, this place is absolutely amazing. Look at the size of that tree. It's unbelievable. And there's the admissions, and then I think it's about a mile walking through the botanical garden, and the waterfall is at the end, and you can go swimming.
Let's do this.
Oh, look at 1, 2, 3. Look at 3 lucky participants. All right, let's see.
You guys want to look at the tour?
The little map. So you start at the entrance, and it's a nice paved path all the way back up to the waterfall, and there's several side trails to walk through all the beautiful gardens as you make your way back.
They have the place for done.
I saw. You
I
was
want
making
when
the
we
way.
leave.
Yeah. Do you guys want to walk through the gardens first, or take the direct approach straight to the waterfall?
We walk through the garden first and then we go to the water.
Well, the gardens, there's all these little side garden paths that you can take, or you stay to the main paved path, which goes straight to the waterfall. Yeah. So these flowers here have like a soapish sort of slime inside of them that I've been told locals use or for shampoo and conditioning their hair, like the old way. Sort of neat. So back by the waterfall here, there is a snack bar. You can get coffee, shaved ice, drinks, canned sodas, cookie or a hot dog. Sort of nice to have a snack shop back here. This is also where the shuttle stop is if you didn't feel like taking the 3/4 of a mile walk back to the waterfall. I think it's $10 extra per person to take the shuttle. Not sure about that. And then there's another gift vendor back here. And here it is, I think, the final bridge. And there it is, the Waimea Waterfall. Right up by the waterfall, they have this giant fence that they put up to try to hold back falling rocks. And as you can see, some really big boulders fall down off that hill. Wow. Alright, and here it is, the waterfall. Before you go in, you have to get a life vest. Life vests are required to go in the water. So this is the Waimea Waterfall. You can swim in it, but as you can see today, the water is has a lot of silt in it from all the rain recently. So before either either before or after your time at the waterfall, you can go through the botanical garden. There's tons and tons of little side gardens and side paths to take.
Tarzan!
All sorts of beautiful flora everywhere. Nathan here is going to go Tarzan on these vines. Here's a list of a bunch of the different gardens here inside the botanical garden. Medicinal plants, plants from Guam, Hawaiian hibiscus garden. It's really just a beautiful place to come. $20 admission fee per person. And I think it's a really nice, easy way to see a lot of Hawaiian flora and fauna. It's really accessible by everybody. There's a sidewalk made out of concrete, so even wheelchair accessible here. So this is known as the House of Bones. In 1976, they found the burial remains of a couple of people, and they believed it to be a burial site of an ancient Hawaiian chieftain.
So, how do you like this botanical garden?
I love this botanical garden,
What?
especially the waterfall.
Did you like the waterfall?
Yes.
Did you go in?
No, I took a great video of my sister and her husband jumping in the water and kissing each other, and it was lovely.
One of these things is not a papaya. So if you never knew, that's what a papaya tree looks like. Oh, Nathan found another. He's gonna Tarzan it. Swinging through the trees with the greatest of ease.
Let me take a picture with you. I don't know. Hold on to that, looking at me, looking at me. Think that you're like, go and move the thing. On the
We're setting
side.
up the perfect Tarzan shot.
EBGBs over here.
This is Haleola, House of Healing. They do have a barbecue inside there. They have a lot of houses here. They make 2 more over there.
I like this path. It's really awesome.
This is the family shrine. Look at it. It's covered. You cannot even see inside. Ooh.
This is the coconut.
Ooh, look at the coconut. It's got no coconuts in. Here is the coconut tree.
So there's a artist here crafting fresh lays, and of course Christina has to have a fresh lei. Oh, so Chris actually bought the lathe for Valentina.
Kiss on the cheek.
And that's the proper way to present somebody a lei, with some aloha.
They smell so good.
Very feliz Navidad. Happy birthday.
Are you what? Thank you
Because
so much.
you know,
Thank you.
when my grandmother, anytime she found out it was a birthday in a person, that's because you're giving the aloha.
Wow, thank you so much. But he didn't take my money, so it's from him.
No. It's from you.
It's from me.
Okay.
All right, so we left the Waimea Valley and we decided to check out the surfers here on the North Shore. Just found a great beach, and look at these waves. They are crazy. And these guys are out here surfing in it. I don't know how big these waves are, but I would guess 10 feet or more. They are huge. When it gets a little bigger, I'm gonna go out, catch one of these waves. All right, Bodie, when it gets a little bigger, Bodie.
Waiting for my 50-year storm wave, man.
There they go. Two more surfers paddling out. Trying to get out in between the sets, I guess. So now it's time to drive back across the island to Waikiki. It takes about an hour, hour and a half. So we decided we needed to stop and get some food. And we found a little like food truck area where a bunch of them are parked. There's North Shore Shrimp Truck and North Shore Fish Tacos, I think. So we're gonna try some food and see how it is.
That's the ocean over there. And here we're gonna stay maybe at this table. I pick a table and we're gonna eat Hawaiian best fish taco.
All right, so this is what we got from North Shore Tacos. We got a shrimp taco and a fish taco plate, and then a beef quesadilla plate. Looks pretty tasty. All right, guys, that's the end of today. We went to Waimea Valley. We watched the surfers. We checked out the North Shore. What else did we do today?
We went to the Botanical Garden and we at the falls, and we swim in the falls. We went to North Shore and we tacos for dinner.
Right, Giovanni's shrimp were really good. North Shore fish tacos were great. And that's the end of our day, and that is the beautiful sunset we're gonna leave you with right here.